And now to the effect the coronavirus is having on the financial markets. Losses on Wall Street were so sharp in the first few minutes that trading was halted.
It has since resumed. Let's take a look at the big board right now, creeping back up a little bit since this low this morning, down 1,240 points right now. The S&P is off 138. The Nasdaq dropped more than 360 points at this hour. CBS News' Alice Gaynor is live in our newsroom with more on exactly what happened when the bell opened today. Alice.
Chris and Mary, the biggest drops came from the oil markets after a price war among major crude producing countries. This, coupled with continued coronavirus fears, have wreaked havoc.
Minutes after the opening bell rang this morning at 9:30, trading was halted. At one point, the Dow dropped 2,000 points and the S&P cratered more than 7%. That 7% drop triggered a circuit breaker, which is meant to slow things down and give investors a chance to breathe before trading more. After a 15-minute break, stocks began trading shortly before 10 a.m. So what happened? For one, oil markets plunged.
Saudi Arabia and Russia, who thought they might get together and try to curtail their production, did not, and things fell apart. Saudi Arabia is now flooding the markets with oil. They're cutting prices to China. As a result, when we saw the markets open overseas last night, oil was down by 30% in one session. It's massive.
CBS business analyst Jill Schlesinger says investors are also rattled as the coronavirus spreads. Global markets were already troubled by its potential impact, which has disrupted travel and trade.
What we are seeing is investors trying to quantify what will this virus do to economic growth, not just in China, but throughout the rest of the world. I should note, Italy is the world's 8th largest economy. Wow. And so when you have 20% of a country shut down, that's the 8th largest economy, it does have ripple effects.
Investors we spoke with are concerned but not overly worried.
I know it'll come back. We just have to be patient.
And financial experts advise that if you don't need your money anytime soon, try not to do anything and stick to the game plan. In the newsroom, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
All right, Alice, thanks. Governor